Buy Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro Self Haircut Kit at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. The Remington Self Haircut Kit's hair cut clipper is designed for fast, easy and precise cutting every time. The clipper has an extra wide curved blade follows the contours of your head for even cutting. The clipper is also designed to fit comfortably in your hand, giving you ultimate control for desired results. Palm grip design fits comfortably in your hand, not the blade. The blade is extra wide for fast haircuts and is curved to fit the shape of the head. The 9-length combs cut 1 by 16 inch to 5 by 8 inch to achieve the exact look you desire. Lithium power provides up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime with consistent power throughout. The Shortcut Pro hair clipper can also be used corded for maximum versatility and convenience. Fits in the palm of your hand so you can easily reach the back of your head, neckline and around your ears. Precision ground, stainless steel blades easily cut through even the thickest hair, reducing pulling and snagging. 13-piece kit includes handheld clipper, 9-length adjusting combs, cleaning brush, storage and travel pouch, oil, charging adapter etc. Extra wide curved blade. The blade contours to your head with maximum coverage to provide a close, even cut. Shortcut Pro hair clipper is 100% washable, conveniently rinses clean under the faucet. This self-haircut kit has everything you need for a quality haircut at home. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and the curved blade works with the natural shape of your head so self-haircuts are comfortable and precise. Plus, it's 57% wider than standard haircut clippers, so you can get the job done fast. The clipper fits comfortably in your hand so you can easily reach the neckline, around your ears, and the back of your head. Length adjusting combs let you create your own personalized haircut, and a cleaning brush helps keep the clipper working at peak performance. The precision ground blades easily cut through even the thickest hair, eliminating pulling and snagging. Keep the kit in one place with a convenient zip-up storage pouch. It works great for extended traveling too.